In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate QuickBooks with your Wix account. This integration will help streamline your accounting processes by allowing financial data to flow effortlessly between the two platforms, saving you time and reducing manual data entry errors. To get started, we'll first log into your Wix account. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Wix website. Enter your login credentials and click on the Login button. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now look to the left side of your screen and find the option for the Wix App Market. Click on it to access a variety of applications that can enhance the functionality of your website. In the search bar within the App Market, type in QuickBooks and hit Enter. This will bring up a selection of apps related to QuickBooks. We want to locate the specific QuickBooks app that meets our needs and click on it to learn more about the integration. Once you've found the QuickBooks app, select the option to add the app to your account. This process is generally straightforward and might involve following a few on-screen instructions to confirm your selection. After you've successfully added the QuickBooks app, it'll be time to head over to QuickBooks itself and complete the setup from their end. Go ahead and open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Log in using your QuickBooks credentials. It's important to ensure that you're entering the correct details here, as this will allow your Wix account to access the financial data stored in QuickBooks. Once you're logged in, you'll see a prompt to authorize the connection between Wix and QuickBooks. This is a crucial step because it provides the necessary permissions for the two platforms to communicate with each other. Follow the steps on the QuickBooks site to authorize the connection, and soon you'll be ready to customize your sync settings. With authorization completed, you'll now have the option to set sync preferences. These settings allow you to choose how data is transferred between Wix and QuickBooks, what information should be included, and the frequency at which the data is synchronized. Carefully review these options and select the ones that best suit your business needs. If you're unsure, QuickBooks often provides recommendations or default settings that work well for most users. After you've made your selections, it's essential to save these changes to ensure everything is set up correctly. Look for a Save button and click it to confirm your settings, and that's it. You've now connected QuickBooks to your Wix account, paving the way for a more efficient and organized accounting workflow. This integration can save you countless hours in administration and help minimize errors in your financial data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.